Automatic cellophane wrapping machine is also known as transparent film packaging machine, cigarette box wrapping machine, cellophane wrapping machine, three-dimensional packaging machine, etc. This machine is widely used in fully enclosed automatic packaging in the pharmaceutical, food, healthcare products, cosmetics, daily necessities, stationery and other industries, such as biscuits, gum boxes, tea boxes, poker, diagnostic kits. Shaqima, Rubik's cube, eraser, soap, condom box, brown sugar box, coffee box, cigarette box, facial mask box, lipstick box, perfume box, hand cream, toothpaste, facial cleanser, capsule box, tablet pill box, oral liquid, DVD, marker box, plasticine box, and other products. The machine adopts PLC, servo motor, sensor, cylinder and other controls, touch screen display, and can realize single box packaging or multi-box combination packaging. The machine adopts servo motor to control the film, and the color mark is automatically tracked. It can use unprinted packaging film, and can also use printed packaging film on the same machine. The machine is simple to operate, advanced in control, and has good stability. It can be used alone, or it can be used in conjunction with automatic cartoning machine, automatic inkjet printer machine, automatic labeling machine, automatic case packer machine, and other equipment to achieve linkage production. The machine currently packs single color boxes. Please call us for consultation.